With us is Laura Willoughby from the campaign group Move Your Money, which campaigns for banking reform were set up to urge people to leave the big banks following the financial crisis. Laura, thank you very much for coming in. You also urge people to consider ethical banks, and the co-ops regarded as pretty ethical. So what's your reaction to them deciding against this buy-up?
I think it's a little bit disappointing. We'd have loved to have seen Co-op have a bigger high street presence. We know that people want to move to different banks and to move to banks that haven't been caught up in the scandals of interest rate rigging, money laundering and mis-selling. And this would have been a great opportunity for the Co-operative to have really, taken a stake in the market.
Given that they are regarded as being quite a sensible bank, you can understand then their reasons for doing this, can you?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at why Lloyds TSB is in this position to start with, it's because they took unnecessary risks with our money, and now they need to work out what to do with their branches. So it's nice to see that at least the Co-operative have taken a responsible attitude and aren't going to take risky and aggressive strategies to try and increase the market when they've actually been very much protected and haven't been bailed out by the government like the big 5 banks.
No, the Co-op has said, to try and reassure people, that it will expand at some point, but not just now.
Yeah, and actually it's a bank that's growing. It had an increase of 8% last year. It's continuing to grow, and when people talk to us about moving bank, the Co-operative is one of the top banks that they come to. So it's really good news, and it's really good news for banking that they will stay there, because we need to increase the market, not only in terms of the number of banks, but the diversity and type of banks there are, because people don't want to go to banks that are going to take risks with their money and do unethical practices. They want to go to banks that they feel that will benefit the economy.
But people aren't spoilt for choice, are they?
No, but there's definitely room for more. The big 5 banks have 85% of the market, and that's because people are really unlikely to switch. I think you're more likely to end your relationship than you are to switch bank. And I think it's about time that people took the plunge, put their money where their mouth is, tell the big banks that they're unhappy with the way they've behaved, and come September, when switching will only take 7 days, it's a really good opportunity for people to do that and to move to banks like Co-operative and Triodos and even to their local credit union.
Laura Willoughby from Move Your Money, thank you very much.